name is Mohit Khan, and my assignment title is Virtual Machine Demonstration and Comparative Analysis of Operating System Flavor. And I am doing introduction part in this. Virtualization is a technology that allows us to run multiple operating systems on a single physical computer using software called as hypervisor. In this experiment, I created a virtual machine to install and work with different OS platforms. This object is to observe and compare how each operating system handles CPU, file system structure, and resource allocation. These gives us practical exposure to real OS functionality without needing multiple physical computers. Thank you.
Hi, my name is Deepa. Now I am going to explain the implementation and performance analysis in the Windows 10. First, we install the Oracle VirtualBox on our system and create the new virtual machine for a Windows 10. Next, we allow the RAM and virtual hard disk space according to the capacity of the host machine. After that, we attach the Windows 10 ISO file and complete the operating system installation and inside the VM. Once the installation was done, we start the Windows 10 virtual machine and allow to it to load normally. To study performance, we open the task manager and check the CPU, memory disk and network usage. Under the performance tab, from the result, CPU usage I 70 to 90% due to a Windows used more processing power during a boot and updates. Next, memory usage. It's around 3.1 to 3.4 GB. Most RAM was used by the background services. Next, disk usage. It around 2% to 15% to read or write increasing the during system procedure. Next, network usage. It around 56 to 72 kbps due to Windows download updates. And now I conclude that Windows 10 VM consumed every resource and showed high usage in the all components.
Hello everyone, myself Tirthashri. Now I'll going to explain the setting up Ubuntu in the VirtualBox. The steps involved are first step is to download the Ubuntu ISO from the official Ubuntu website. The second step is to install the VirtualBox where we need to download and install the Oracle VirtualBox on the Windows. Third step is to create the new virtual machine, that is to open VirtualBox, click on the new option, name it as Ubuntu, select the type as Linux and the version as Ubuntu 64, that is about 64-bit. Then we need to allocate the resources. That is around 2 to 3 GB of RAM and 40 GB disk space to the virtual machine. Mount the Ubuntu ISO file by go to settings, storage, add optical disk and choose the Ubuntu ISO. Start the installation, click on the start and follow all the on-screen steps to install the Ubuntu. Complete the setup by using username, password and finish the installation. Once finish the installation, you are ready to use. Ubuntu desktop appears while running the Ubuntu. This is how the steps involved in setting up Ubuntu in the VirtualBox. Observation of Ubuntu. So first one is process handling. Ubuntu uses the system monitor and commands like top and htop. CPU scheduling is the second, where it uses completely fair schedule for balanced performance. Third one is memory usage, which is efficient, consumes less RAM than the Windows 10. So fourth one is resource handling, which is lightweight and stable on the limited hardware. These were some of the important snapshots from while installing the Windows 10 and Ubuntu. So the first parameter, the comparison between the Windows 10 and Ubuntu Linux. The first parameter is user interface, which is graphical and user friendly. In Ubuntu, it is simple and customizable. CPU scheduling in Windows 10, it is priority based. In the Ubuntu, it is completely fake scheduler. Memory usage, higher memory consumption in the Windows 10 and lower memory consumption in the Ubuntu. Process handling, managed via task manager in Windows 10 and managed via system monitor in the Ubuntu Linux. Resource management, high due to background services in the Windows 10 and lightweight and efficient in the Ubuntu. So from this comparison, it is observed that Windows 10 provides a visually appealing and easy to use interface suitable for general users and software compatibility. However, Ubuntu Linux offers better performance, security, resource efficiency, making it more suitable for programming, networking, and server environment.
My name is Krishna. Here I am going to give conclusion of this assignment. In this experiment, we explored the concept of virtualization, which allows multiple operating systems to run on a single physical machine. Using virtual machine, we created an independent environment where we are able to install and interact with a different OS platform with, without affecting our main system. Through this hands-on setup, we were able to observe and compare how different operating systems handle essential system functions. We analyze CPU scheduling, file management, memory management, process management, memory allocation, and system performance. One important takeaway is that every operating system is designed with specific goals and advantages. For example, Linux provides a strong performance, stability, and ideal for programming and server environments. Windows, on the other hand, offer high user friendliness and wide software support, making it suitable for general user and professional application. Overall, this assignment gave us clear and deeper understanding and how operating system functions and differ, and how virtualization make learning and system management more flexible and efficient. Thank you.